Stainless steel C3 clip from Holly Marie Industries. 772-221-8114. These will replace other options. There used to be a hole here and a hole here threaded into the door, but they don't do that anymore. So if you don't have anything back there, then you're left using stuff like this. A lot more expensive than the C3 clip, and you have to drill a hole specifically, and I mean specifically, in the right place. And then the problem with this is the door, if this screw gets loose, and it will, the lock starts moving around again. So we throw those in the trash now. Now I'm going to put in a slam latch in here with the C3 clip, because unlike the other clips that were out at one time similar to this, they wouldn't work on here because of this piece of metal. On the deadlock, there's nothing there. There's room for it to sit down inside. Well, this is a C3 because this will work on the slam latch, the deadbolt, and a regular doorknob latch. I've already got one on the bottom here. Both of these parts are stainless steel, so once you put these on, you can forget about it until the lock dies altogether. This is ready to install. This thing here, unbelievable labor involved. Here's how much labor is involved in this. Drop it in, drop it low, pull it up where you want it. Tighten the bottom, tighten the top, and if I had the right plate out here, I could put this on, it'd be exactly right. See, it fits flush. And you can see this is not going anywhere, and it won't go anywhere, and it won't rust because it's stainless steel. This is the way to do it. Now I could put the latch and the cylinder in, but I'm quite sure most of you know how to do that. These will be sold in sets of pairs and dozen in one bag, so you have 6 sets ready to go. Now when you got to remove it, watch this. Literally will fall out of the door for you. And there they are. The screw is stainless, the clip is stainless. Best of all, no labor, but you can still go out and make a bundle of money with these if you got them on your truck. If you don't, plan on spending some times on your hands and knees with this or that other ridiculous Y thing that tightens up on one side and tightens on the other and wiggles around. This is the time saver and money maker when it comes to mounting this type of lock, and now a slam latch or a regular latch on a metal door where there's nothing else to attach to also. Thank you for watching.